Hi everyone, it's Holly here. I'm back again this week with a review and tutorial for you. I'm going to be reviewing the new Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Matte Bouncy Blushes. They are a newer launch. I have been using them for a while, so I have lots of thoughts on it, and I also came up with a perfect way, a tutorial to show you how to achieve the trendy, the gorgeous, pillowy blushed look that is so trendy but also so beautiful right now. I feel like blush and makeup trends change all the time. This is the current, and I have the perfect way to do it with these blushes. As you can see, I have it on right now. So I'm gonna go through some swatches for you and then show you how to achieve this perfect pillowy soft blush look. I was very excited when Rare Beauty launched this new blush. They're kind of known for their amazing blushes, like their Soft Pinch liquid blush has just been like viral forever, it feels like. So their colors are so complementary and they work for so many people. So this is no different. Soft Pinch Matte Bouncy Blush. So I was excited because I don't believe they have any matte blushes out yet. And matte blushes they have a great time and place. I don't particularly use it for like an all matte makeup look. I just like to balance out some more of the creamy products I use with some mattes to make you it gives you that soft pillowy look without looking like too much liquid bounce. Light bounces off of like liquid products a little bit different, so it just gives a soft pillowy look to the skin. And I like that they did a matte that way instead of like the old school matte type product, because those just end up showing texture and imperfections on the skin, and I get a little worried about those. They launched a little while ago. This has been in my makeup bag since I went and grabbed it. So this is my personal favorite shade and the one I'm using. I will show you guys swatches of all of them, and I'll show you how I like to use this one. But there are tons of beautiful colors. The one I have been using is Thriving. It's more of it's got a little pink in it. It's mostly a red, maybe a little bit of a deeper pinky red. So this is a gorgeous shade to get that pillowy matte look. I'm gonna go through and just see what Selena is saying about these blushes. I believe there's no rules in makeup, but if you are a beginner, sometimes it's nice to go off of recommendations, just if you really don't know. It's a good safe place to start. So I will try and incorporate, as I go through the swatches, which ones they recommend for light, medium, and deep skin tone. Pillowy blush, it gives natural matte color that wears like a dream matte, soft focus color, easy to use putty with a pillowy texture. That sounds so unique to me. Blends like a cream, blurs like a powder. Not supposed to settle into lines, show texture, all of that, which I can tell you already it doesn't, because I've been using it for quite a while. I'm going to be using their blush brush. This is my favorite blush brush I've ever used. I use this all the time, regardless of what product I'm using. It is the absolute best. Let's start with Thriving, because this is my shade. It feels really soft and velvety. I want to say the texture is quite unique. Lots of color payoff, which you'd expect from Rare. I'd expect nothing different. You can see I missed my self tanner here, so it's very light. It's like a white canvas for you. So a lot of pigment, but you can use it in a natural way, and I'll show you how to do that. I haven't really felt a product that feels quite like this. Blends like a cream, blurs like a powder. Feel it, it just kind of feels like a hydrated powder in a way. And then when you put it on the skin, it softens up quite easily. And then going in with this brush, you can see softens quite a bit, but I like to apply my blushes a little different. I'm going to show you my skin here today too. What I do is I go like this. I kind of bounce it out on my hand, because you can't take blush back, and then I go in and apply. So I do it in like a test zone like that, and then I apply to the cheeks, and I keep doing that process until it's perfect and airbrushed, and that will really give you that pillowy look. You can see such a difference, like realistic application compared to a swatch. Light skin tone recommendations from Rare. Happy, Hope, and Worth, which are known names for Rare, so they're kind of keeping their color schemes the same, which is easy for the consumer. This is Hope, so you know exactly what you're getting. A really nice peachy nude shade. That would look really great in the summer mixed with some bronzer. Happy, which I think is their like most popular shade, because it's just so complimentary to other people. I love how this feels, this product feels. It's so fun to put to run your hand through. So soft, and it does end up kind of quickly turning into a soft powder on the skin, but as you first apply it, it's like a cream, so it really blends well, really absorbs into the skin, and then you kind of lightly soften it, and then it turns into a powder, and it's that buffed out, pillowy look. I really love the packaging of this product. I think it's so simple, but I love anything that's kind of that see-through matte. It's just so satisfying, and I love just the plain circle. It's really easy to throw in your makeup bag, but I just thought I'd say that. I actually really love the packaging. I think it's beautiful. This is Worth. I want to say this is a little bit newer of a shade. It's definitely kind of like Hope, but I would say it's just a little bit peachier, but it's a peachy neutral kind of blush shade. And these ones are great for light skin tones. This is a beautiful like cherry red. It's on the warmer tone, like orange, kind of coral undertones. That is very orangey, but again, this is me applying it with my hand. You can see it does look very different when you apply it with a brush, but this would look great on warm skin tones for sure. It would look good on like a skin tone like mine if I have my makeup and bronze done to help balance it and add some warmth in. This one is very orange, Alive. So again, great. It's definitely great on deep skin tones that have some warmth, some olive undertones in them. Grateful looked orange, but now Alive looks definitely orange. And we have Thriving, which is the one that's been in my makeup bag. So this is a beautiful kind of fuchsia-ish type blush look, Thriving, which I think honestly would look good on a lot of people because it has that pink. It's like a true blush shade. You can mix it with other colors. That's what I kind of do. If you want to make like a unique color that suits your skin tone, that's kind of what I end up like doing with blushes. And then for day to day, you can kind of look a little different depending on your mood if you want that look or not. And the last one is Truth, deep plum shade. Beautiful shade. It's not too purple at all. It's very, very neutral plum shade, I would say. Truth, it's like, yeah, a neutral berry shade. Go through with the two I picked to throw in my makeup bag immediately when I got this package, and I'll show you how I like to use them. These two together are stunning for summer because they like you've been in the sun all day. This is the blush brush. I like to go, we'll do a little that, couple dabs in each, and then I dab on my hand. You can see how much comes off because I really like to do little by little. So that's what I'm going to do here. The process takes a little while, but I'd rather that than apply too much. So you can see even with my second hand dipping here, applying, it really, there's still a lot of pigment, but you can see how it gives you that airbrush pillowy look when you take those steps. Just that little extra time to blend prior. Love that technique for blush. And then it just ends up looking, because you layer it so softly on itself, it's like you literally are airbrushing. I like to mix a bit of blush in kind of from my eye into the hairline because it just kind of looks more natural, I find that way. Like an actual sunburn would, usually it's like fades along your face. So I like to gently kind of make that fade, and I don't love my blush to go too far in because sometimes that just makes me look like modelly, like I'm hot, but like not in a good way. Soft, pillowy blush look is what we want today. You can see how easy that is and how much it adds to a makeup look. Pillowy, soft gorgeousness. So that is my tutorial and my review on the new Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Matte Bouncy Blush. That's a mouthful. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Don't forget to like this video down below and follow me here at holl_ward on YouTube. I post every single week. And don't forget to head over to Instagram and follow me at the same handle there as well. As always, I hope you have a wonderful week, and I'll see you next time.